If you're not texting your customers, you're not reaching them. SMS has a 98% open rate. The average response time, just 90 seconds. And yet, most brands still make it hard to join their list. Whisp changes that. We turn any scan, tap, or click into a verified SMS opt-in instantly. No forms, no friction, no bounce. Just high-intent actions converted in real time. And now with Whisp Wallet, you can stay top of mind and top of phone. Deliver exclusive offers, updates, and loyalty rewards straight to your customers' mobile wallets. No apps, no downloads, just one tap, and you're in their pocket. Your customer database isn't just a list, it's a loyalty engine waiting to be unlocked. Whisp gets you more opt-ins instantly, so you can turn SMS and mobile wallet into your most powerful loyalty channels, and every opt-in is CRM ready the moment it comes in. Compliant, trackable, and ready to convert. If you're still asking people to fill out a form, you're already behind. The future of loyalty is direct, immediate, always on, and it all starts with the opt-in. Whisp. Opt-in simplified.